What are bought lot and odd lot in Bursa Malaysia? Know-how in share. We provide guidance and support for beginners and existing investors to explore and achieve investment goals. In our Facebook page, Know-how in share, we provide short videos for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Let's talk about normal bought lot. Shares are normally traded in specific amounts called bought lot of 100 units. In Malaysia, one normal lot or one bought lot is 100 units. Any quantities less than 100 units are odd lot or special lot. Default cost screen is showing the normal bought lot prices for the public listed companies. But if you would like to sell less than 100 units, you need to go to the odd lot market and search for the counter. Normally, the prices will be different with the normal bought lot market because it's less of buyers and sellers, which is supply and demand. If you like to buy, you might need to buy in a higher price. Or if you like to sell, you might need to sell in a lower price. So it depends. Let's be practical and we go to the platform to look at the odd lot and bought lot market. This is the CJCIMB Securities iTrade platform. Okay, here this is the cost screen. So originally the cost screen will be showing the normal bought lot, which is here. You see the price here. We look at the prices of Sapura. This one 521 at Sapura. The price, the bid and ask is 125 and 130. Let's say we go into the odd lot. If you have to buy or sell in the odd lot market, you can choose here. We choose the normal odd lot. You go to the odd lot market and you search for, just now we talk about the Sapura. Okay, you see here, the bid and ask price. You saw the bid price is 13, just now is 125, so it's slightly higher. And the ask price, we don't have any existing seller at the moment. So the odd lot market is really less of seller and the prices will be different from the normal bought lot market. Let's say we take CIMB example. For example, we have CIMB Bank shares. We have 150 units. We would like to sell the 150 units. We need to sell the normal 100 units at the normal bought lot market first. After we sell the 100 units, then we go into the normal odd lot and search for CIMB. Then we go here, then we can sell the remaining 50 units. The remaining 50 units we will sell slightly lower, which is 490 compared to just now the normal market 496. That's how we go into the odd lot market to buy or sell the odd lot quantity. In conclusion, if you have to buy or sell less than 100 units in Bursa Malaysia, you need to go into the odd lot market, which the price might be higher if you like to buy and the price might be lower if you like to sell. Feel free to follow our Facebook page Know-how in Share for stock market knowledge, experience, and surviving tips. Know-how in Share, your share market buddy. Thank you.